Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a highlight for any text over your PDF file. So you can do it without any third-party application and or without even signing in on any of the website. Just simply open any browser over on any device and hit tiny bow over the search bar. Once you do that, just simply open the first site that appears right in front of you. Once the site gets loaded, just you can see this option which is PDF tools. Just simply go to the PDF tools, and once you go over there, it will another options will right appear in front of you. Just simply go to the edit PDF options, and once the option will open, just simply upload the PDF file that you want to edit. For example, if I upload a dummy PDF file to this page, now here this is my dummy PDF file, and if I want to highlight some text, so just simply hit this highlight option. Once you do that, just simply create a new highlight box, and you can move it over your text and make the changes according to the size of the highlight you want to create. For example, if I want to highlight this particular text, you can see the particular text has been highlighted. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.